through one of our newest features, category management. Category management is really here to help you create a business-specific reporting. Up until now, we just had standard like Aspire set categories. Now you can create your own categories that suit and reflect your business best. So all of your internal reporting can be really business specific now, not our Aspire standard marketing, operations, type ones that we'd already had for you. You can edit them, create them, delete them. There's just a lot more that you can now do to really make it more business specific for you, which is great. Categories are generally used for transfers, budgets, claims, cards, of course, and tracking bills. So categories is a really big functionality of managing and using your Aspire account, and we're really grateful that we can now offer you the ability to edit them and create your own. So in this video, I'm basically going to show you how to create them, edit them, and delete them. So let's get started. To do that, all you'll need to do is, let's just say you're in your Aspire account, just come down to Directory, which is just down here, and click on Categories. And here's how you can start to customize them all for yourself. This is your category dashboard just here, so you can see all of the different categories you may have already set up. And to create a new category, just come straight here to create new category. You can set the category name, so Rachel's category for fun. You can then select an icon that is suitable for what you're creating that category for, and then you can select a color. So again, very personalized to you in terms of the name, the icon, and the color. Then just click Add New Category, and that category is now here on your dashboard. At the moment, it seems to be in alphabetical order, so we've had to go right down to find Rachel's category. But of course, if you need it, you can just click on search to find it and it will pop up here. So that's fantastic. If I now wanted to edit this one, all I have to do is click back on it and I'm going to be sent over here. So to see a little bit more information about Rachel's category, you can see the transactions that have been associated to Rachel's category, the cards and the claims. So let me show you one before that maybe has been used here. Great, so here you can see a really good one where you can see the transactions that are related to that category, and then you can see the claims that are related to that category too. So when you want to see the specifics of what has been spent within that category, you can just click on it and it will show you all the information here. If you need to see more, you can just click on View All. Now, if I wanted to make an edit to this particular category, I just click on it and click on Edit. There I can change the category name, I can change the icon, and I can change the color. Completely up to you when and how you want to do that. Another thing you can do is you can delete it. So you can click on here and you can click on Deactivate. It'll of course send you a prompt to remind you, is this what you really want to do? If it is, just click Deactivate. So that's how easy it is to create a new category, edit one, and deactivate one as well. The last thing I want to just walk you through is something as simple as just filtering through this dashboard here. So here you can see the status inactive and active. So click on active and you will see all of your active categories just listed here. Just something to note, you can't edit deactivated ones. So just FYI there. Another great feature is here you can click on type, so you've got default, so the ones that we had already prescribed for you via Aspire, or you can click on the ones that are custom. So if you click on custom, it's going to be all the ones you've created, and if you click on the ones that are default, they're the ones that we have created. So if you need both, you can just of course have both as well. I'm sure you are wondering, can I reactivate a deactivated category? Yes, you can. So we can just go straight into here to one of our inactive ones, click on it, click activate, and done. It's now back in the game for you to use. And there you have it. That's everything to do with category management now within your Aspire account. We hope you find it incredibly helpful and as exciting as we find it. Have a great day.